What if you could live in a beautiful country without needing a visa or proving your savings? Imagine even getting paid to move there. It sounds too good to be true, right? In this video, we'll explore 5 tropical paradises that meet these criteria and offer a safe, affordable, and fulfilling lifestyle. Let's dive in. Country 1. Malaysia. Malaysia is a perfect blend of modern living, breathtaking landscapes, and rich cultural experiences, all at a surprisingly low cost. From the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur to the serene beaches of Langkawi, Malaysia offers an ideal mix of urban excitement and natural beauty. Affordability. Rent a fully furnished apartment with stunning city views for just $400 a month. Fresh local produce is cheap, making it easy to prepare delicious meals or enjoy street food like nasi lemak for just a few dollars. Transportation. Affordable and convenient with public buses, trains, and ride-hailing apps like Grab. Visa-free entry. U.S. citizens can enjoy visa-free entry for up to 90 days. Programs like Malaysia My Second Home make it even easier for long-term stays, with perks like tax-free income transfers. Healthcare. High-quality and affordable healthcare attracts medical tourists worldwide. English is widely spoken, making navigation easy. Lifestyle and culture. Enjoy warm weather year-round, explore lush rainforests, or relax on golden beaches. Malaysia's cultural diversity. Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous influences creates vibrant street scenes and festivals. If you're looking for a modern, affordable tropical paradise, Malaysia is hard to beat. Country 2. Dominica. Known as the nature island of the Caribbean, Dominica offers an eco-friendly, adventurous lifestyle without visa restrictions. Cost of living. Rent starts at $400 a month, while utilities and groceries are extremely affordable. Transportation. Public buses are just $1.50, making getting around easy and inexpensive. Visa-free entry. U.S. citizens can stay for up to 6 months without a visa. Retirement benefits. Tax exemptions on foreign pensions and no inheritance taxes make it ideal for retirees. Healthcare. Affordable public and private healthcare options. Natural beauty. Dominica is perfect for hiking, snorkeling, and connecting with nature. Its vibrant culture shines through festivals, local music, and community events, making every day an adventure.
Country 3. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Caribbean archipelago of 32 islands offers tranquility, affordability, and financial perks. Living costs. Rent ranges from $200 to $600 a month depending on location. Utilities, groceries, and dining out are also highly affordable. Ease of travel. U.S. citizens can enter visa-free for up to 30 days with no need to prove income. Financial benefits. No foreign income tax and low property taxes make it attractive for expats. Healthcare. A growing healthcare system with accessible services. Lifestyle. Enjoy pristine beaches, hiking trails, and vibrant local festivals. With 300 days of sunshine and a laid-back pace of life, St. Vincent is a true Caribbean paradise. Country 4. Micronesia. Peaceful archipelago in the Pacific, Micronesia is a haven for nature lovers and budget-conscious expats. Affordability. Rent ranges from $300 to $500 a month, and groceries cost as little as $30 to $50 per week. Visa-free stays. U.S. citizens can stay for up to 90 days without a visa or financial proof. Tax benefits. No income or property taxes for residents, making it ideal for retirees. Lifestyle. Warm weather year-round, turquoise waters, and lush jungles create an idyllic environment. The local culture, rich with traditions like boat building and storytelling, fosters a sense of belonging. Country 5. Haiti. Haiti offers a vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and an affordable lifestyle. Cost of living. Rent starts at $300 a month with affordable groceries and meals under $5. Ease of entry. No visa required for U.S. citizens, just bring your passport. Financial perks. Tax exemptions on foreign income and real estate investments make Haiti a practical choice. Lifestyle. Year-round tropical weather, historical landmarks, bustling markets, and a rich art scene make Haiti a unique and fulfilling place to live. How to choose the best country for you. Each of these countries offers unique benefits. Malaysia. modern conveniences with cultural diversity. Dominica, eco-friendly and adventurous. St. Vincent, tranquility and financial perks. Micronesia, peaceful and tax-friendly. Haiti, affordable and culturally rich. Before deciding, visit your chosen destination, estimate living costs, and plan your move carefully. If you enjoyed this exploration of tropical paradises, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which country you'd like us to explore next. Your support helps us bring you even better content. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you in the next video.